Hey Norm, so I've been playing around a little bit with the copy on here, but on this page as well, can you please update this section here? So this is going to be our testimonials section. We don't have any video testimonials just yet, but what you could do is just pull the ones from our home page here, just put an image, the quote, and then who they are. So just copy it as is here. So this image, small quote, and then their name, and then where they come from. So, for example, just chuck that quote in there, Steve Grant, Jim Hub, image of Steve. And if we can have it flowing, or actually we might only need to be able to put 3 in there. So can you do, out of what we've already got on the page, do Daniel 1, Lauren Silvers 2, Christian Stevens 3. If you can add those onto this page here as well on the checkout, that'd be great. Thanks.